Hello and welcome to Mystery Curtain, where we go beyond specs to reveal a gadget's true character. Today's episode will test durability, battery life, and real-world usability to see if this device can survive your daily grind. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite arrives as a mid-range tablet that strikes a fine balance between design, performance, and affordability, aimed at students, professionals, and casual users seeking a modern device that feels durable, yet light enough for daily use. Priced at just $332, the Tab S10 Lite positions itself as one of the most appealing options in its segment, offering a sleek metal frame, long-lasting battery life, and the inclusion of an S Pen right out of the box. Opening the packaging reveals Samsung's familiar minimalist approach, with a clean white box featuring an image of the device and its name on the front. Inside, accessories are kept simple. Users will find the tablet itself, a Type-C charging cable, user manuals, and most importantly, the white S Pen, which instantly feels like the defining feature of this light edition. While there is no bundled charger or protective case, the inclusion of the stylus makes up for this omission, as it expands the potential for creativity, productivity, and convenience. Holding the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite for the first time, the most striking impression is the premium feel of its metal frame. Despite belonging to the Lite family, Samsung has avoided the common budget compromise of plastic builds, instead opting for a design that is both elegant and sturdy. The rear is understated, with only a single 8MP camera housed in a compact square module, avoiding clutter while keeping the look minimal. The layout of physical buttons and ports is practical. The right edge houses the volume rocker and power button along with a magnetic strip that securely holds the S Pen in place, while the left edge includes the connector pins for optional accessories like a keyboard. Dual speakers are positioned on the top and bottom edges for stereo audio, while the bottom also carries the USB-C charging port, and the top contains the SIM tray. This clean design ensures comfortable handling and efficient daily use. On the front, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite sports a 10.9-inch TFT LCD panel with a resolution of 1320 by 2112 pixels. While it does not feature Samsung's AMOLED technology, the screen remains crisp and clear, delivering good detail for reading, studying, and watching videos. The display is enhanced by a 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling smoother, animations more fluid, and overall interaction more responsive. This high refresh rate pairs especially well with the S Pen, eliminating noticeable input lag and making sketching, note-taking, and precise gestures feel natural. Samsung has also added blue light reduction technology, an important feature for students and office workers who may spend long hours in front of the screen. Under the hood, the Tab S10 Lite runs on the Exynos 1380 processor, an octa-core mid-range chipset designed to handle daily tasks efficiently. Paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, it allows for seamless multitasking, quick app switching, and adequate storage for documents, schoolwork, or entertainment libraries. During testing, the device handled office applications, web browsing, and online learning smoothly, while also being capable of running casual games with little stutter. Although it is not targeted at heavy gamers or creative professionals requiring high-end rendering, it remains more than capable for its intended audience. The software experience is equally smooth, thanks to Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0 overlay, which is well optimized, intuitive, and loaded with features to support both work and play. Parents will particularly value the dedicated kids mode that allows them to manage what children access on the tablet, creating a safe digital environment. The camera system is modest, with an 8-megapixels rear camera that delivers usable shots in good lighting, and a 5-megapixels front camera for video calls, online classes, or remote work. While photography is clearly not its focus, the cameras are functional enough to cover everyday needs. Battery life, however, is a strong point. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is equipped with an 8000 mAh cell that comfortably powers the device through a full day of mixed use. In real-world usage, it easily sustains 10 to 11 hours of continuous work, browsing, or video playback, leaving reserve capacity by the end of the day. When charging is required, the 25W fast charging capability helps reduce downtime, ensuring the tablet can quickly return to full power. Taken together, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite presents itself as a refined, mid-range tablet that manages to deliver premium design elements, thoughtful features, and a reliable everyday performance profile at a price point that is highly competitive. Its metal build, large high-refresh display, included S Pen, and long battery life make it an excellent companion for students, casual creatives, and professionals who value practicality over raw power. While it lacks a mold vibrancy and high-end camera capabilities, its strengths more than outweigh its compromises, making it a standout choice in the mid-range tablet category.